The Elago Silicone Cases and Dust Guards. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. Today we will be taking a look at the Elago Silicone Cases and Dust Guards for the Apple AirPods. These are available for the entire AirPod line. They come in multiple colors and the company sent me out a few. As always, I provide my honest and unbiased opinions in my reviews. I have included the link in the description below for the products. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos, and give it a thumbs up as well. So let's take a look. I have the peach, lavender, red, and gray silicone cases, along with the gold and space gray dust guards. These are just some of the colors and styles, and they offer more on their website. If you are a current owner or planning to buy the AirPods, one thing you will notice is the case easily scratches, especially if you put in your pockets, bags, or purse. Keys and your belongings can easily rub against it. The case can also be slippery with the smooth glossy finish, and you can easily drop it. To preserve the look and provide some grip, a case would be a good solution. These silicone cases are very soft and easy to install. This is a one-piece design with the top cover attached to the back. The back has the Elago branding, and it also has the indentation for the button. On the bottom, you have the cutout for the charging port. Installation is simple. Just slide the case in and pull the top cover over. And as you can see, the top opens and closes with no issues. And removal is quick and easy as well. Just slide it off. And now let's see how it looks on the lavender version. Again, just slide the AirPod case in and pull the top cover over. And there you go. And now for the red version. This one's a sharp color, it really stands out. And finally, the dark gray. The company also sent out some dust guards. With the AirPod design, it uses multiple magnets, and what you'll notice is iron and metal dust over time inside. These metal sticker plates will act as a buffer and prevent the dust. They come in several colors, and I have the space gray and gold. You get 2 sets in each package, and these can be installed and removed easily. I'm going to install these off camera so I could properly align them. And after installation, this is how they look. There's no issues with the AirPods, and it opens and closes just fine. and let's add a case to see the overall look. And here is the gold dust guard installed with the red silicone case. The Elago silicone cases and dust guards. These accessories come in a wide variety of colors. It will help protect your AirPods and add some style. They are easy to install and inexpensive. If you liked my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.